Good morning, Eagles. It's our February 5th virtual assembly. This morning, we're going to be picking out some names out of our Eagles Nest to see which classes will get a snack and dance party or a game party. It's up to you, and we're going to move right on into picking out the names out of our Eagles Nest. Today, we're going to pull out 10 classroom source lips because we missed a few over distance learning. If your class name gets called, your teacher will schedule a time with me and we will have a dance and snack party in your classroom or some type of game, whatever your classroom teacher or classroom decides. So we're going to get right to it, and like I said, I'll pull out 10 and then we'll start having our celebrations. Okay, first class, Miss Trio's class. You guys are scheduled to have a party. Second class, Miss Macula's class. Congratulations, Miss Macula's class. Next class, Miss Heeman's class. Next class, Miss Lindy's class. Next class, Miss Bauman's class. Congratulations, Miss Bauman's class. Our next class, Miss Kluntz's class. Next class, Miss Brunn's 5th grade class. Next class, Mr. Miller's 2nd grade class. Congratulations. Two more. We have two more. Miss Johnson's 3rd grade class. And the last one, Miss Zimmerman's class. So congratulations to those 10 classrooms. Please talk to me or talk to Sue in the office and we'll get scheduled for your celebration party. Thank you, and keep up the good work, Eagles, and make sure you're soaring everywhere you go.
Hello, I'm with Yasmin.
And she's our student teacher in Mrs. Lindy's class. So today I'm going to be asking her questions. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay. Why would you decide to be a teacher?
I think learning is fun and teaching people new things is really fun. So that's why I want to be a teacher.
Okay. Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a very small town called Plainview, Minnesota, and it's by Rochester.
Wow. Okay. How many pets do you have?
I have one pet. Her name is Bean, and she's a little kitty.
Aww.
Good morning, Eagle Lake students. I'm Mrs. Schmalzright. I'm in Mrs. Lindy's class. I'm a student teacher, and I'm interviewing Yasmin. Are you ready to interview today?
Yes.
Yes, she is. Okay. My question for Yasmin today is, what is your favorite color that is not in the rainbow?
White, I guess.
That's a good one. And do you have a favorite animal?
Yeah, I do. It's an elephant.
An elephant, people. There you have it. Facts about Yasmin. Thank you for listening.
What's your favorite book you've read so far? The Mr. Truck series. I've seen you read that in the class. I think you like it. I do. What book have you read so far that you enjoyed?
I have read, it's called The Secret Life of a Cactus.
Cool. Have you been reading that you're like enjoying? Quite hard.
You know, I have to say that one of my very favorite books is poetry, and it's Shel Silverstein. And actually, he has a series of them, and I love every one of them. And all 4th graders actually receive one each year. So be looking forward to that.
Right now I'm reading the Apollo Trial series.
I have really no reaction. I've been reading that you like that you're enjoying. Dogman. Cool. What's your favorite book you read so far? I have to say Camp. It's a graphic novel. It's really good. I might be interested. What's your favorite book that you read so far? The One and Only Ivan. Really? Yeah. Okay. What's your favorite book you read so far? The favorite book that I read so far is The One and Only Ivan. Yo, you guys read the same book as Corey? Yes.
I've been enjoying Amulet, the whole series.
That must be a lot of books for a series. You must like it?
I love it.
What book are you liking so far?
Hi Yasmin. One book that I really like is the Percy Jackson books. I think that's a really fun series.
Cool. What book have you been enjoying so far?
I just finished reading this book called The Forgotten Road, and it isn't normally the type of book that I would read, but I found out that it was a really, really good book. It's about a man who travels across the United States on Route 66 and how it changes his life by traveling that road.
Cool.
Eagles, we're doing our activity for our virtual assembly today with everybody's friend here, Brody Jordan. We're going to play a game of, you guys know as PIG, but we're going to use the letters S-O-A-R for SOAR. And Brody's going to be the first shooter, and Miss Schmidt's going to videotape this game of SOAR between Brody and myself. Brody, you're up. Let's go.
Okay.
All right, thanks Eagles. As you can see, Brody's quite the basketball player. He beat me in SOAR today. Remember always to soar and do your best no matter what you do. But let's all congratulate Brody. Good job, Brody.
dreams really do come true. Ooh, someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dare to, oh why can't I? Oh, someday I wish upon a star, wake up.
All right, hey Eagles, we're here. It's about time for us to wrap up our assembly and sing our school song together. Thank you for being such great students and working so hard every day. We're going to walk in here to Miss Macula's class and we're going to see, hopefully we won't interrupt their learning, but we'll see if they'll lead us in our school song today. So follow me. Good morning, Miss Macula.
Good morning, Mr. Grove.
Would it be okay if your class led us in our school song today?
Oh, that would be awesome. They're so good at that song. They like it so much.
All right.
I'd like to help.
Excellent. Okay, fourth graders, you have a task of leading our school in the school song, so please stand up, face the camera, and you will lead us in this song on the count of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
We're super school, all our kids are so cool, and we all do the best that we can. E-L-K-E-L-E, L-A-K-E, you can tell me, you can spell Eagle Lake. Rah, rah, back in 64, when they opened the door to the greatest kids of all. It was certain fate that we'd be great and achieve for our super school. Yeah, Eagle Lake!
Thank you.